So here's a quick tip for you if you're a buyer or a buyer's realtor. Make sure that the home that you just went under contract on has smoke detectors, CO2 detectors, and water heater straps installed. Very frequently, I see that these items not being installed in the home, so when the appraiser goes out to the property, he makes the appraisal report subject to these items being installed in the home, but then he has to come back out and make sure that those items were actually installed in the home, and the buyer then has to pay $150 or more depending on where you live. So maybe what you can do is from the beginning when you're writing up the offer, include those items to be installed prior to the appraisal inspection, and if they're not, seller to credit you for the final inspection fee. Or during the home inspection, what you can do is make sure that those items are installed in the home, and if they're not, include those items in the inspection response to the seller so that they install them prior to the appraisal inspection being done. Just a quick tip I thought I'd share with you to make sure that your home purchase transaction goes smooth and save you a couple $100s in unnecessary cost.